project. My name is Luz and I'm from Cologne, Germany. I've been working on this project for the last 4 months and happy to present it now to you. It's not completely finished. Styling and some new options will be added soon. So let's get started. Right now we are on the start page with the call to action button, and you can see this headline, New Learning with ePower Study Solutions. Maybe you can think what I'm going to show you in the next minutes. But now let's get started, and we need to register first. So let's paste this email here, create a new password. You can see it's in password validator. So we just make this random letters, copy it, and then we sign up and save it. Then it loads a bit, and then we go back to the home page, but we are still not logged in or registered because we need to verify our email. Let's go here. You can see it's an email, basic HTML template, and then you can click here, verify your email. And then you can directly see, we see 3 new header sections. So maybe start first with accounts. You can see here, username, email, DEX, and tokens. Every new user gets 5 free tokens. Currently we have 0 DEX. This is just a random image. And yeah, so let's go to the DEX page. It's currently empty. So let's try to create a new deck. Then this pop-ups and you can see add deck. You can import a deck via CSV file. You can auto-generate a deck with KI, or you just can create a normal deck. So maybe just first deck, Harvard, as a description, and then you can save it. You can see it here. So let's create our first artificial intelligence flashcard deck, and we can clearly see, we can press this button here, KI, and we are getting on this page. So upload a PDF or enter a text. You can upload here a file, for example, just your study lectures, or just enter a text like this. It's the official volleyball rules, and then we can say deck name, of course, volleyball, and then rules. And then we click on create flashcards, and we have to wait a few seconds. Perfect, you can clearly see we got our fresh new flashcards. You can check them here on our cards page. So you can see our ranking is new, planned review date is of course right now. And then you can see here front and back values. And if you're not sure what is on the whole card, you can just click on edit them, and you can see an editor, front and back side. You can also paste images, make it bold, underline something. It's all like normal editor in Word. And you can save changes, and it got saved. You can also delete cards if you do not like them. But yeah, this is our cards now. So now we are back on our DEX page, and we can here see our deck volleyball rules with 12 cards. Here we can again see this card page. We go back, we can delete the deck, and we can go on this play button, and we see this wonderful page with this chart where you can select which cards you want to learn. You can see the overview, how good you're in the progress, and then you can start learn here. And here is a wonderful card slider where you can again edit your cards. But here are also the settings, and you can change them. For example, you only want to learn 5 cards per session, so you click on learn, you see 5 cards. You can also adjust it directly, got changed in the database, and also here on this page. Autoflip is right now off because I don't like it when you have time pressure while learning flashcards, but you can also say 5 seconds, 15 seconds, and so on. And we have 2 methods, random and Enki. Random is based on the current ranking and also of the repetitions of the cards, so how often you learn this card. And of course, you always are more likely to see cards with a lower ranking and which are maybe shown 5 times. So the algorithm knows that you can't or don't know the cards, so you see the card first. And the easy cards with the high reps, or the more likely maybe also only 2-3 reps, but with an easy ranking, you are likely to see the card in the next few days. And the Enki algorithm is based on the popular Enki flashcard application, also an SM2 algorithm, and it's based on the next time you are most likely to see this card. So if you press a ranking, I show in a bit, you can select between fail and easy. And for example, easy, you're going to see the card maybe in 50 minutes or a few hours. It is fail, you're likely to see the card in 5 minutes or even in 1 minute. So let's select random, off, and 10 cards. Or maybe let's do 5 cards because it's faster, because we have more than 10 cards here. Click on learn, and we see our flashcard. It's basically just a flashcard, the whole page. And you can see, we click here, nice animation, you can see the back. Okay, it was kind of hard. You can just click here, and it's all the same. And after 5 cards, we should be redirected, and you can see this wonderful page. And now things are getting hard. You can click here, you can directly see ranking easy, just select these cards, you can see which cards are which ranking. Here are all new ones. For example, I just want to learn the new ones, I click on new and just press learn. I only want to learn the good ones, the better ones. You can click here and we see probably only 2 cards now. We're going back, and now you can see the good ranking is away, one got to middle and one got to easy. So you can adjust what you want to learn. For example, if you're currently learning and you just remember ein Spiel, go maybe, I don't know, back, you went on Google, watch volleyball, I don't know, you go back, you can see continue learning, and you're back on the exactly same card and can learn again and again. So one last thing I want to show you is that if you click here again, you can see we only have 3 tokens left because a few minutes ago we created this volleyball deck and this cost 1 token. And you can see here this button buy tokens. Let's click it and you can see you can buy here tokens. We can select between 10, 25 and 27 tokens. Buy now, and then we get to Stripe. And then with webhooks and localhost you can buy here tokens and also cancel. So I hope you like it. It was really much work, I learned a lot, and because I'm planning to publish this web application, I decided to use MongoDB as a database because it has horizontal stacking and because SQL has vertically. It's probably a good decision to move there. And I use Cloudflare as a storage solution because, of course, many users can upload images, and images saving in a blob is really, really big. So I decided to use a file system and a cloud, so in a cloud. And Cloudflare with the R2 bucket is a really good decision. Of course, if the user deletes a deck or a card, or the user deletes his account or whatever, everything in the database, everything in Cloudflare gets removed. So I have a lot of space and save a lot of space doing my application. So I hope you like it. If you have any questions or anything else or any good ideas what to implement or any good stylings ideas, just write in the comments, and I hope you like it. See you.